Now, how to find the solution of a linear equation? For example, solution of a linear equation, if you have 2x plus 5 is equal to 6. If we want to find the value of x which satisfy this equation, we called x is a solution of the linear equation. Okay, now because it is a linear, that's mean we have only one value of x. How to get this value of x? There is many ways to get the value of x. Let we have the solve it by finding the way of to get the value of x. Way of solving linear equation. Okay, if you have the variable where the variable is x, for example x is the variable plus a, where a is a constant equal to b. Now we want to find the value of x. That's mean we will subtract a for the both side to get only x here, or we transfer x to another side, then x equal to b minus a, where x equal to b minus a. Okay, let we have an example. If you have, for example, x plus 2 is equal to 3, we want to find the value of x. Just transfer 2 to another side by change the sign of 2. X equal to 3 minus 2. We have to keep it at the end. So x equal to 1. Now we have to check our answer if it is correct or wrong. Just substitute instead of x1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is the first way of solving a system of solving a linear equation with one variable, yeah. Okay, now if you have, for example, number 2, you have x minus a is equal to b. Transfer minus a to another side, then x equal to b minus a, then x here x equal to b minus a. Okay. Okay, now here, for example, if you have x minus 3 is equal to 5, transfer minus 3 to another side, then x equal to 5 plus 3, so x equal to 8. If you want to check your answer, you will say check. For checking, you will say that 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Our answer is correct. Okay, this is about solving a linear equation and the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, now if there is a number with the x, for example number 3, if you have a x equal to b, we are divided by a, then x equal to b over a. For example, if you have 2x equal to 4, we will divide it by 2, then x equal to 2. Okay, number 4. If you have, for example, x over a, and it is in a coefficient in a fraction, by cross multiplication we put here over 1, then x equal to multiply b a. Okay, for example, if you have x over 3 equal to 5, by cross multiplication, then x equal to 15. Okay, now let me have an example of many equations and we want to find the value of x. For example, exercise number 1, if you have 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. If you want to solve this equation to find the value of x, okay, we want to solve it. Solve for x. Okay, we want to solve it for x. How to solve it? First, he want to value of x. We will put it in a square. Then we transfer minus positive 3 because it is not belong to 2x. Then 2x is equal to 4. We have to change the sign. It will be minus 3. Then 2x equal to 1. Now here with the x there is a coefficient is 2. So we will divide it by 2 divided by 2. So x equal to 0.5. This is the first equation. Now for example, if we have another question number 2, we want to solve for a. That's mean we want to find the value of a. If a plus 1 over 3 is equal to 2a over 5. Okay, now by cross multiplication we will get that 5 plus 5 multiplied by a plus 1 equal to 6a. Then we will expand the bracket. Okay, expand the bracket. Then 5a plus 5 is equal to 6a. Transfer 5 to another side. We will have to put the variable with the variable, the unknown with the unknown. Okay, and the constant with the constant. So here you have 5a minus 6a is equal to minus 5. By changing the sign, so here minus a is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 1 to get a, divided by minus 1, so a is equal to 5. Okay, if you want to check your answer, you can check your answer.